Hi guys, so this is just a quick video to talk about Tonic Studios having like a big sale on their previous craft kits. If you guys know, if you've seen any of my videos, their craft kits come with a ton of items. They're really great. Right now they're having like a super sale on certain ones, and then some other ones are just marked down, but the ones that have the bigger discounts I will show you today. Generally they run from like $14.99 to $20, basically $19.99. In between there, and then they have some other ones that were a little higher that might be $25.99 is what I'm looking at here. I just pulled up the page because you definitely want to go right to that sale page, so to see those pricings and then everything all together at once. So I'll have that link in the description box. That would be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. That is the case for the US and the UK sites, so I always have the US links and the UK links. So I usually break down my kits after I have received them, reviewed them, played with them, did whatever I was going to do, and then I put, all the different, like, the embossing mousses or embellishment mousses or however, put away the tools and all that kind of thing. But I do put the dies and stamps, just the way they arrive into their little folder, into their binders. So I think I have these kind of set up in a way that'd be easy to go through. What I'm looking at is like the ones that are super sale, starting with like kit 63-ish, but really it's more some of the later numbers. But either way, let's say 63, so it's Delightful Daisies. So this is Delightful Daisies. I just want to show you really quickly kind of what it has in there. I kept whatever paperwork it came with. Honestly, this is probably something I don't need to keep anymore, so I'll put that to the side. But you have your dies, they're in a split package here, and then you have your stamp, your photopolymer stamp. And let's say some of the boxes you pick up are a month when you do receive the binder, then you're going to get a binder in one of those boxes. All of these I have videos for pretty much, so if you want to check them out, you can definitely see the videos I have for them, the videos that Tonic has for them, so you have more information that way. Because right now I'm just going to quickly show you, because all these come with papers, they come with embellishments, they come with tools, they come with paper packs, they can have, implements, like all kinds of different things that they come with, right? So right now I'm just showing you the dies themselves. So this is the one for the Delightful Days. Is a little bit similar to the gatefold color. This one, the Floral Gate Creator, similar-ish. I usually have the stickers for it. You're gonna have the sticker for it in your kit. I get samples, so sometimes my samples, don't have the sticker. But that's that one. This one, I believe, is the yes, the terrific telephone treat box. And again, the dies are on here. These come with instruction if they need it, so you have your little instruction. Sometimes I receive the instruction, sometimes I don't, because again, samples, but this one did have them, so you will have the instruction, also your photopolymer stamp set. Another one that's in the sale is the Floral Gate Creator. Again, I feel like this one was similar to the other one in that they both have a lot of dies that help you do like these floral looks, but this one had a definite project in mind here. I have a little sample. I can show you some of those. But so there's that. I'll tuck that away better later. So that is a few of them. Or those are a few of them. The Sassy Shell Bag is super cute. Oh my gosh, this makes the cutest project. So you have it here. I don't have, oh, you know what? I don't know why I had two stickers on that one. The instructions on this one, but if they come with it, they will be there. It's pretty simple. You just have these two larger pieces that you're going to do one and then the other and kind of, stick those together. One of my dies probably slipped down here, the one that was up there. And just a really cute project. So the Sassy Shell Bag is also in the sale. And then, the rainbow, follow your dreams rainbow. This one, again, my samples were very bare, so I don't have the sticker and I don't have the assembly instruction, but it's very easy. It's just these two pieces with a little piece that goes in the middle, and it kind of like a clamshell opens like this. If you want, there's different ways to use it. So that is that one. Do I have my stamp set in here? It does definitely have a stamp set, guys, so for right now I don't have it there for whatever reason. I'm sure it's tucked down in there somewhere. It has to be. Assorted frames, I believe, is on here also. Yes, so the one-off purchase, and I'm just looking at this. That's kind of how they're labeling them with the stored frames. This one was really fun. I did, I think, 3 mini cards when I did this one, so it has all these bits here. You have stamps, a nice size set of photopolymer stamps. You have all these beautiful florals that you can inlay, that you can make frames with, that you can do just inlays on your cards or however. Really nice set. So that's that one. Again, I have tutorials on all of these. Then the Whimsical Wonderland. The only one for some reason, I don't have tucked in here, because what happens is once my binder is filled up, I'll keep the folder for the next one, and I don't think I saw this one nearby. So I have this one, but there's also a Lifetime of Adventure, which, if you guys recall, makes like a book. I don't know if you remember that one. Really pretty. It was very teal kind of craft kit, but either way, this one's also in there, the Whimsical Wonderland. And, oh, there's one of my little guys. Let's just put it... I feel like it came from over here, don't you? Let's just put it right here for now. Really cute. I remember like a little scene card with this one. So again, you have your photopolymer stamps. Really nice big set on that one. All your little Christmas trees, your gingerbread houses, all that kind of cute stuff. So that again was Whimsical Wonderland. And then right after that is a Lifetime of Adventure that's also on sale for $14.99. Just because I'm looking at the price right here, I can kind of say the pricing to y'all. Yeah, so I just want to quickly mention that. I believe they're there until they sell out, but if it's definitely something that has an expiration date, I will give that info in the description box. But other than that, I'll have some links there, and if you're interested in picking it up, you know, at these really, really reduced prices, then they are ready to go on the US and the UK site. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you at the next one. Bye now.